harmless man is not a good man. A good man is a very, very dangerous man who has that under voluntary control. I also think that that's part of what makes a world peaceful. If you're around people who are dangerous but disciplined, then everyone watches their step.
What's up, fam? Back at it again. This time we in Austin, Texas, state capital, at a car show at Rental Tires. So I'm gonna let y'all see what we got so far. But before we get started, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Ooh. Just getting started. Uh-oh, they closed the hood so we can't see everything. Maybe he'll open it again later. Sheesh. 1933. 1933. You got the Tommy gun in that thing. Stick shift too. Man pedal club. The money bags in that thing. The moonshine. Let me get a close up on. That's gangster. It's real gangster. That's gangster. Woo. See it right there. 1964. Legit 6'4". Ooh. That is nice. That's how you're supposed to do it. Ooh. Came in hitting them switches on that thing. I saw it earlier. Between him and that red truck right there. Here. Compartment and about to get it started. People at Rent-A-Tower are always taking care of us. So make sure y'all come out to Austin and support them. For all your tire needs, come holler at the men at Rent-A-Tower. Let's go see what they got. Let's go see what they got inside. Man, whatever you want, rent or own it. If you ain't got it, come talk to these people, man. Ain't no shame in it. Ain't nobody gotta know. I wouldn't tell nobody. How they gonna know? How would they know? They gonna know? How would they know? How would those look on Deadpool Scat 426? Let me know. Blades. We'll be back when more cars pull in. It's just starting, man. It's just starting. You're gonna be out here. Supposed to have a breakdance competition later. That's what I want to see. I ain't seen one of those in a while, and some of us out here too old to be spinning. So if it ain't a good show, at least it might be comedic. We'll see.
Yeah, we got Sharky in the house. Raise your hand, Sharky. You gotta dance now, Sharky. We got that yellow Sharky.
Gave away 2 more unicorns. Little girls' hearts melted. They're gonna be car people now.
That's all you can do. It's all good.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just level up, don't be
White leather in that thing. That trophy huge. Ooh, he won a heat wave. She got the pit bull with her. 2 pit bulls in that old school alarm system. And they ain't took their eyes off me yet. I don't want no problems, big fella. My man right here always come out and steal the show. If it wasn't for him and Honey Badger with the H2, I probably have more trophies. Rucci, get you coochie, baby. Shout out to my man Dunk Master.
Second annual, big shout to everybody. Really tired of your building.
The detail though.
Alright, let's get this. I want to give shout to all of the
I know I show this truck a lot
high riders.
every time they pull up, but man, when something like that win a trophy, you can't get mad because they put in the time. Look who just pulled in. Ooh wee. Let me back up, cause man, got the B&M shifter with the trans brake lever. You don't see Malibus. Oh, Chevelle. Then the Rat Rod pulled in. You got the B&M too. Maybe it's for line lock for those.
This your car?
Oh no. My car is Deadpool.
Oh, that yours is Deadpool one?
Yeah.
That was fire. That's yours?
Yeah.
Damn, that was fire.
Appreciate it, man. Oh, what?
Yeah, motherfucker.
What? You ain't got the kitty? Nah. It must be a rental. I can't. You right. No way. You just come out and flex on me. Oh man.
I told you to come up with it.
Ooh.
Hey, this the lineup gonna start looking right.
That's what's up. He pulled up in the heat. He ain't playing. You know, some people say they're gonna do something and they don't never do it. He pulled up with the cat.
Hey, look. Hey, this the money shot. That's the money shot.
Oh, okay.
That's the money shot right there, baby. That's that money shot right there, man.
It's already
I know
been
you know what
modded.
that is. I
Yeah.
know you know what that is.
Yeah.
You know what the fuck that bill about.
I already know.
That's that you in trouble bill.
You got the green belt with the pulley upgrade.
Hold on real quick. Let me see who this is calling. I'm calling right back, D.
Okay.
Hello?
He ain't playing with him. It ain't just a regular Hellcat right there.
Yeah.
Ooh. Gotta watch my back on the toll roads now. He coming out to play now. With the big 6-piston Brimbos. I see you. And he got some tire to keep it to the ground too. Okay.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there, glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want.
Big shout to all the kids, big shout to Red Tire. Don't forget we are having a raffle. Only $25 we're giving away. 28s and 22s with tires. You just gotta go inside and do the raffle. $25 and you get a chance to win. All you gotta do is, we gotta get 50 people to get in the entry to get these away. Let's go, baby. All right, if anybody got their drinks already, you got some muchilada mix right here, Don Vic, muchilada mix. Wow, that's on point, that's on point. Woo! All right, big shout to everybody in the house. Freestyle Saturday, second annual. Big shout, get a round of applause, everybody, if you're feeling good here on this Saturday. Come on, y'all, let me hear y'all.
That's what I want. Coupe de Ville. Man, I love this car. My grandmother had one, took us everywhere in it. Ride like a dream. Y'all see Mr. President's ride. My man car right here hit so hard. This thing hit so hard. You don't even know. Woo.
I want to give a shout out to all the car clubs in the house, everybody that has a ride in here. God bless y'all, man.
It ain't no bass competition today, is it? Okay, so they don't want you to shut the DJ down. You gotta keep it off for a little while.
Keep it quiet.
Yeah. He rattled the whole trunk when he turned this thing on. He didn't make it into the show? You gotta be kidding me. Boy, ain't no way. He just pull up and then enter in the show? Man, I'll help you wipe this thing down. Man, I'll stun on everybody at the car show if I had that thing. I'll retire Deadpool. Man, that's mint condition right there. Woo. They done pulled up in the party bus. And it's in the show? The party bus registered for the show? What's really going on over here?
All right. The first person that does that itty bitty bomba. I want to give you some beef jerky. Let's go. Let's go, let's go.
Ooh. That ain't no baby shark. That's a big ass shark. You need me to close my door?
I think I'm good, brother.
Okay. Yeah. Ooh, that is nice.
Facts, bro. You still get on there, bro.
Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Come on, let me see the moves. Let me see the moves. Model T-Rex in the building. Y'all ever wonder how people show up to all these car shows and they keep their cars clean? They ain't driving from hours and hours away like we are, and then they got to get here and wipe their stuff down. Some of these dudes pulling up on the trailer, man. So don't feel bad if you got to wipe your car down an hour before the show starts getting judged. Big timers pulling up in the trailer. It ain't Texas if it ain't got them blades over here. Everything got them blades. The homie pulled up. He pulled up and he dropped it low on us. The world famous wide body, plum crazy wide body with the carbon fiber everywhere. Whoo. Even dirty, that thing clean. I promise you the camera ain't doing it no justice. Inches off the ground. Woo! I see you, homie.
One, two. One, two. Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Hey, I'm your boy Black Latin. I just came to do 2 songs, I'm gonna be out your way. I'd like to thank everybody to the Salazar family for inviting me out. Thank my brother Joe, my sister Priscilla, my husband, Joe's wife, everybody. I just thank everybody for being out here and giving me the opportunity to share my debut album that's going to be coming out soon. Hope y'all enjoy it.
state of Texas.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna
I just hit the weirdest train. I was a seven hit on a nerd show. It was real! It was real! I'm no cop.
What is your car?
Yeah,
It's fine, bro.
appreciate it, man. We ain't winning on none of them today. That's big time right there. Always. Yes, indeed. Going back to the shade spot. Hot today. It's got to be 100 degrees out here. All right, fam. This is the closeout video. If you're military, you know what those are. Closeout formations, where I back brief information that happened for the day. So today we went to Freestyle Saturday car show. It was supposed to be a b-boy / breakdance competition. It didn't happen. Highly disappointed in that because I definitely wanted to get y'all some footage. Some of us older guys and even some younger guys and some real young children breakdancing, but due to spot conflicts with Crawfish Festival at Chicano Park, it had to be relocated to Rent-A-Tire in Austin in a Fiesta parking lot. So disappointed in that, but not completely disappointed. Won second place, most unique. First place, and well deserved. I'm definitely not a hater. Is the Super Mario theme Caprice. You'll see him in, if you didn't see him in the video, rewind and go find him. And then we won top 60. So they didn't have any Mopar or Dodge categories, which isn't a big deal. These streetcar guys, they were mostly lowrider, slabs, donks, old school stuff. I probably was one of the only, if not the only, modern Mopar guy there. They had a couple of Mopars, but there were 50s, 60s, 70s models. It's 100 degrees out there today. So you see me sweating right now. I'm in the garage, it's still humid. But it was 100 degrees almost all day today. But I did hydrate. I found a shade tree, and I stayed there the majority of the time. And it paid off. We did our thing. People like Deadpool Scat. So we had a good time out there. Met some really cool people. Got some new subscribers. So like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate the support. More to come. Tomorrow is the Heroes United Cruise for Cancer. So that's what we'll be doing. It'll be a short video on that one. Really doesn't take that long to meet up and cruise. But there will be some more fun stuff coming in the next few weeks. So stay tuned. Peace.